Behavior of all in Python. The documentation of all reads that it returns true as all the elements are true / for an empty list. Why does all evaluate to false? Because is a member of, it should evaluate to true as well.
Because all iterables the list are true, there are 0 iterables though. There is one empty iterable, innermost empty list, which would evaluate to false. The only iterable here has one empty list inside of it, and hence evaluates to true. Same as above.
The docstring for all is as follows. All iterable, greater than bool return true if bool x is true for all values x in the iterable. If the iterable is empty, return true. This explains the behavior, is an empty iterable, so all returns true. But, is not an empty iterable, it is an iterable containing one item, an empty list. Calling bool on that empty list returns false, so the entire expression is false. The other examples return true because the single item is no longer empty, so it is Boolean true.
Lists in Python evaluate to true if and only if they are not empty. See, for example, this. All returns true if and only if each one of the elements of its argument evaluates to true. For the first example, your list is empty and all returns true. In the second example, the list's only element is an empty list, which evaluates to false, therefore all returns false. For all the other examples, the list's only element contains further lists and therefore isn't empty and evaluates to true, so all has to return true.
If you want to see more, please subscribe.